Welcome on the channel. I would like to show you when you have inverter for the photovoltaic and also for the hybrid system, and you are solving the issue with error fault number 1, then this one will show you how to fix it, what you really need to do. I have turned on my inverter. You see it's actually showing and blinking the error faulty number 1. And generally this fault is about ventilators are not working or not spinning, something wrong somewhere. As you see, I have a little bit improved my inverter. You can see they are spinning and this one is not spinning. Point is, even when they have common terminal, this is my terminal that I have built because I wanted bigger flow and I didn't want to be so loud, so they are connected in the series, these fans. But anyway, when one is not working, it is possible to detect the error. This inverter was like 4 years running without problems, and then it was 4 years lying somewhere because it was out of order, I was moving place and so on. And the time has shown his own and the time shows the corrosion and such a things that we will see. I have disconnected just one ventilator that was not working. You see the second one is spinning just a bit and it's not enough. We still have the error, so you definitely need to check your voltage, the cable, the fans, what can cause the problem, and generally it will be the fan issue. I was even thinking maybe the main board of the inverter, maybe the Allen circle could be damaged and not giving the power, but he's giving the power, so it wasn't the problem. Problem was on this board that I have built actually for those extra fans, and you can see it is the 4 fan pinout, and there are 2 condensators that a little bit improve the power distribution there between them, and it is very simple part. You can see it like it is painted. You can see, we will show what it will does. As you see here is the black cable. It should be minus, and it's going on the minus of the first fan. Then it's going from plus of the first fan to the minus of the second fan and continue to the second fan plus and go on the red wire. On the other side it is the same, and in the middle you have those condensators. Such a simple circuit, and it is just something like splitter. It is very easy. Point was, you can even see a little bit still there it is, the green, the corrosion of the copper, and it actually made some kind of shortcut or resistance between the pins, and that was the issue. So it wasn't mechanical, like the fan is broken or something, it was electrical issue, and time is time. I'm testing it now again. I put it into the system and we turn it on and we will see what happens. You can see even here there are two original fans, below are two my fans. They are sucking the air, and on the sides you have two more fans that they are pushing the air into the inverter. So this is show up and we turn it on. As you can see, nice voltage, output voltage 228, and we have no error. So if your inverter is standard and you have just two fans on the below, please check if they are spinning, if there is dust or something, check the voltage. The problem will be probably somewhere there, and when you replace the fans or fix them, you will be just okay. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you really like it, there is more videos to see. Just take your pick upstairs and I will see you next time. Bye bye.